Hello everyone, I'm Sukanya, one of the OET aspirants from EduSkills family. I am from new batch. I would like to say huge thanks to our father and all admins, and I really respect all the works the admins are doing and the father's class and everything. Actually, I am not going to share my learning experience here. Instead of that one, I'm going to share how the journey started. I can't remember exactly, but it's around 3 months before. Just I sign up when I am hearing before started. The father is asking to smile at everyone. It's is it smiling? He's asking smiling. Yeah, definitely. He is asking to smile to everyone. In that time, I realized, oh my gosh, how many days I haven't smiled and no one is asking me to smile. Not only in not in freshers, freshly immigrant to one country to another country. If you are immigrant to the other countries in long period, more than 5 years, means they can understand my feelings. No one is asking you to smile here without any others support and being the other country. It's a big deal to someone is carrying us. In From that day onwards, I didn't miss out any live session. I attend to live session, and I entered in EduSkills family through the Telegram, and I signed up the new batch, and I really improved so much. Within 2 months period, I improved so huge difference. Before that, I can't speak out this much, but nowadays I can speak, and I entered the kata support group. Yeah, here one day, in kata support group, before 10 minutes I was in that group. Yeah, the online only the two people are there, and 10 minutes before I entered, so I tell them I will make a cup of tea and I come back. And after 10 minutes, in one of my friend, one of our aspirants is saying a cup of tea is not enough for us. In that time only I realize, oh my gosh, how selfish I am. And the people, not only in the admins and the father, the other people also thinking about others. When my friend saying a cup of tea is not enough for us, means they are carrying the others. They always thinking about others, the surrounded peoples, not only thinking them. That is the one I really love to be here, and I don't want to miss those good-hearted people and lovely people. They always helping, and think about our slogan. It's empower others and grow together. This is really powerful words. I like very much, and I'm so proud to be here. And not only me, when I am preparing some how to say the some audios, in that time my children's also saying happy learning. Do you want to see my sons happy learning? Agavin, can you say happy learning to everyone?
Happy learning, everybody.
See, this happened not only now, it's every day. They are allowed to be here and take part, and they know some of the people. So please, I request father and all admins, please continue our new batch. And it's really helpful. The everyday task is really helpful for so many people to improve ourselves. And please consider our us, and please continue the batch. And thank you so much for the effort and helping, and happy learning.